Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I am Elleece London, and for those who do know me and who are familiar with my channel, a warm welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing something completely new. As you all see from the title and that thumbnail, you already know that I'm going to be reviewing a braided headband wig. And from what I'm aware of, I've searched and looked all around YouTube and I have not come across a review on a braided headband wig as of yet. So I'm going to be the first one to show you guys. So I purchased this wig from Amazon, but the company on Amazon doesn't have a brand name as of yet. So I will leave the link down below in the description box. So when installing this unit comes with no combs, just a drawstring, and you just pull it to your desired tightness. So if you've ever owned a drawstring ponytail, you should know what I'm on about. So the name of this wig is called the 2-in-1 Turban Braided Headband Wig. And this is a synthetic wig which was made from synthetic fibers. And another thing that I love about this wig is that this wig is very fashionable and easy to wear once on the go. And here you're just seeing me adding little accessories to the braids just to spice up the look even more. Listen, in my opinion, I just think braided headband wigs are a whole new mood and are 110% perfect for beginners. And I kid you not, once I installed it, it was super comfortable. And another thing that I like about this wig is that it's very natural looking and the braids were neatly done. And just imagine, with this wig you got instant braids in less than 5 minutes. But look on the bright side, at least you don't gotta go to a hair salon and sit in that chair for hours waiting to get your hair did. But you ain't gotta do that no more, girl, period. When you got wigs like this out there on Amazon, girl, ditch the hair salon. So the pricing of this wig costs, you ready? You ready for it? You ready? £19.99, basically £20, guys. And on top of that, plus free delivery. That's what drew me to this wig in the first place. Not only that it was cute, but it was super affordable and it had free delivery. Another thing, once you receive this unit, it does come in like an upwards kind of ponytail hairstyle, but you can still do many different styles with this wig. And within this video you do see me do the bun hairstyle, and you can also add different accessories to it, different headbands and so forth. This wig comes with no lace. You barely need to do any work with this wig. Literally just put it on your head, adjust the strap at the back, and you're good to go. And you don't need to use no glues and no gels to install this. So that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please leave me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and turn on my post notifications. And if you have any further questions, then leave it down below in the comment section and I'll get back to you, I promise. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys, and stay safe.